It's the second time this happened to me. Look at this. Second charger, different Makita charger. Second time this happened to me. Look at this. If you have a charger like this that have a bad contact, please open and check this resistor. Yeah, this resistor. Always the same resistor. Always. Easy fix. Yes, now look at this. This resistor over here, look at this. This is loose. No solder. Completely loose the solder. Look at this. These two pins here, look at this. Completely loose solder. Easy fix. It's always the same problem. It's fixed. We'll see. Now it's going to work. This happened to me 2 times. The same charger, not the same one, but the same model of charger. 2 times. Now look at this. Look at the LEDs. Look. If it work, I'm 100% sure that is that. Because it happened to me one time already. Look at that. Look at that. I say to you, if you have a model like this that have a bad contact, sometimes charges, sometimes not, look at this resistor, open, put a little bit of solder and it's fixed. No problem. Okay? Easy fix, guys. Thanks for watching.